Gauteng Health MEC, Dr. Nomathemba Mokgethi, will be visiting the Jabulane Dumane Community Health Center that's in Vosloorus today. It's part of the Vooma vaccination drive, which is aimed at encouraging people to get the COVID-19 jab. This is the second weekend that this is actually taking place, and our reporter on the ground is Tshegohaco Moagi. She's live to us now from Vosloorus ahead of the MEC's visit. And Tshegohaco, get us a sense of what things are looking like where you're at. Government setting a target of inoculating 500,000 people by the end of today.
Well, Ayanda, good morning. It actually is extremely quiet at this community health center in Vosloorus. We are, of course, expecting the MEC for Gauteng Health to arrive any moment now. But we understand that on the weekends, there is quite a low turnout from the residents of Vosloorus, those that come to get their vaccination, and they vaccinate Pfizer and J&J during the weekend. And we also understand that during the week they vaccinate more people, about 100 people on a daily basis during the week. So it picks up during the week rather than on the weekends, which is something that we have heard quite often, Ayanda, from the health department itself, that there are concerns that there are fewer people that actually get their vaccines during the weekend. So here during the weekend, about 40 to 60 people come in on any given day, and this particular weekend has not really changed, despite it being the Vooma vaccination weekend, where government is just encouraging more people to actually get the COVID-19 vaccine.
In some respects, one wonders whether the Vooma vaccination drive in and of itself has done any work in shifting what is at the core of the issue here, which is still, in some respects, these questions around the COVID-19 vaccine in some communities.
Indeed, Ayanda, and it really is something that I will be posing, a question that I'll be posing to the MEC around whether this Vooma vaccination drive and weekend that we have seen, I mean, this is the second one this year where they have had this vaccination drive on weekends, and we'll be asking her whether it actually does make any form of a difference within the community and whether people understand that they need to come and get their COVID-19 vaccine, but also how much communication is a huge thing, Ayanda, has actually been sent to the communities out here to remind them that they can get their COVID-19 jab even during the weekends, that they don't have to just come through on the weekdays. So it is something that we'll definitely be posing to the Gauteng Health MEC. She'll be expected to arrive at about 10 o'clock this morning just to monitor the progress of the vaccination drive here in Vosloorus.
All right, Tshegohaco Moagi in Vosloorus for us. Still early days in some respects. We'll see whether or not the day has brought better prospects for the inoculation drive here in the country. Tshegohaco is live to us there from Vosloorus.